Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a subreddit and grabbing 3 5-strong threads to tell. Once done, copy the post and top comments into a single document so you can shape the narrative. This preserves context and flow. Next, select an AI voice and a script generation model, because the voice sets mood and the model will convert raw replies into a coherent story. Make sure to pick a consistent video template, aspect ratio, intro length, and lower third style, so edits are faster and viewers know what to expect. You now prompt the model to condense the thread into clear story beats, asking for a hook, 3 act points, and a payoff. While the AI drafts, edit sentences for natural speech and preserve short, punchy quotes that carry emotion. Once the script is clean, generate TTS in short segments to match scene cuts. This helps with lip sync and timing. Also create separate audio files for SFX and music stems so you can duck music under dialogue and maintain intelligibility throughout the video. You assemble the timeline, narration on track 1, captions on track 2, B-roll and reaction clips underneath, then add music and SFX stems. Once done, export at 1080p, 2430 FPS and target -14 LUFS for platform consistency. After export, review for pacing and caption sync. If a segment feels off, re-render only that clip to save time. If audio artifacts or unnatural TTS pacing occur, change the TTS speed or switch voices. This single tweak fixes most viewer complaints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.